Hey friends, if you're watching this video, it means you really want to speak English fluently, all by yourself, without a teacher, without a partner. And that's amazing, because today, I'm going to share with you a simple, easy plan, your 7 steps to speak English fluently, all alone. So stay with me till the end, and I promise, after this video, you'll know exactly what to do every single day. Remember, fluency doesn't come from magic. It comes from daily practice and small steps. Step 1. Create your English world. You don't need to go to an English-speaking country. You just need to bring English into your home. Listen to English podcasts, YouTube videos, or audiobooks, even when you're cooking, walking, or cleaning. You don't have to understand everything. Just keep listening. This is called passive fluency. It trains your brain to love English sounds. Also, change your phone and social media to English. When your eyes and ears see English daily, your brain starts to feel, yes, this is normal. Step 2. Speak out loud every day. Don't wait for perfect grammar, because you learn to speak by speaking. Every morning, stand in front of the mirror and talk for 5 minutes. Look at yourself, smile, and say simple English lines, like, I am confident. I can speak English. This is called mirror talk. Also try shadowing. Listen to someone and copy them immediately. This will remove fear and make your mouth move fast and smooth. Step 3. Train your mouth like a fighter. Speaking English is not just mental, it's physical. So warm up your mouth every morning. Stretch your lips, open your jaw, and practice sounds like th in think and street. Say each word clearly, not goin', but going. Your mouth is used to your first language, so train it daily for English. Within a few weeks, you'll sound clearer, sharper, and more confident. Step 4. Write down your thoughts. Get a small notebook. Call it your fluency journal. Every night, write 5 to 10 short sentences about your day, like I went to work, I ate pizza, I feel happy today. No need for perfect grammar. Just express yourself. Then read those lines out loud. This connects your thinking with your speaking, and slowly you'll start thinking in English. Step 5. Copy the fluent. Don't invent alone. Don't try to make every sentence from your own head. That's stressful. Find your favorite English speaker on YouTube or a podcast. Listen carefully and copy their sentences exactly. Write 5 good sentences, repeat each 10 times, and match their tone and emotion. This is called sentence shadowing. You'll start speaking naturally, just like them, without even realizing it. Step 6. Pretend you're on a phone call. Here's a fun trick. Put on headphones, walk around, and talk loudly in English. Pretend you're on a phone call. Say things like, hello, I need to change my ticket, or hey, what did you do today? Move your hands, use expressions. Your brain will think it's a real conversation, and that builds confidence for real calls later. Step 7. Track your English like a game. Fluency grows when you see your progress. So, make a small tracker on your phone or notebook. Each day, give yourself points. Did I listen today? Did I speak? Did I write? Did I copy? Every check mark means progress. After 30 days, Listen to your old voice recordings, and you'll be surprised at how far you've come. My friend, English fluency is not about talent. It's about daily action. Even if you practice for just 10 minutes a day, you are moving forward. So don't stop. One day, you'll look back and say, "Yes, I did it." Keep going. And remember, you are stronger and smarter than you think. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.